Today I will be doing an updated Disney Funko Pop collection. Let's get started. I have a total of 353 Disney, Pixar, and Star Wars Funko Pops. There will be some pops in this video that are not shown as they are packed away with some holiday decor, and there are also some jumbo pops that currently do not fit in my room display, so they're also being stored currently. So I will just be showing you guys the current Funko Pop collection that is stored in my room, which is the majority. So let's get started. As most of you know, I have shelves that go all the way around my room featuring my Funko Pop figures. So starting above my desk, I have all of my Pixar characters. We have characters from Coco, Inside Out, WALL-E, The Good Dinosaur, Finding Nemo, and Finding Dory, Ratatouille, and then we move into my Mickey 90 figures, along with the special edition Donald figure and my classic Mickey and Friends, like Chip and Dale, Pluto, Mickey and Minnie, and more. From there, we transition into my Small Incredibles collection, Bugs Life, Monsters Inc. and Monsters University, and Cars 3. Also below the shelf above my desk, we have two other jumbo Funko Pops. We have two of the Mickey Mouse ones. And there's also another shelf below my desk which includes some overflow of the Toy Story characters. We have the Pizza Planet truck, RC, and some other Mickey Mouse figures that did not fit on the shelf. Before we head up to the next shelf, down below here on my mirror, I have the 4-pack of Dapper Dans. These are D23 Expo exclusives. Next up, the shelf above my door is mainly miscellaneous characters, along with a little bit of overflow of Toy Story characters. Starting here in the corner, we have one of the Disney Pop rides, which is the Rescuers. And then we have some Dumbo characters, and one Funko Pop from Emperor's New Groove. Next to that, we have Lady and the Tramp and Bambi, and the Big Hero 6 characters, and Mary Poppins. Now we move into the overflow of the Pixar characters. Here we have all of my Toy Story characters from the original movies, along with some ones from Toy Story 4. Here we jump back into some of the miscellaneous ones. We have Elliot from Pete's Dragon, and we have Huey, Dewey, Louie, and Scrooge McDuck. We also have some of the Lion King characters, Winnie the Pooh, and Zootopia. And then we move into my bigger Lilo and Stitch collection. This features some of the Pop Ride characters, along with some duo sets. Next to that, we have my really small Avengers Pop collection. I hope to grow that collection a little bit more. And then right there on the end, we have the Redhead from Pirates of the Caribbean, which will transition us into the Disney Park Pop figures. Between the two shelves next to my door, I have a smaller shelf that drops down so I can put some of my pop boxes up there. I really try to keep the Disney Parks exclusive pops in their boxes, although I do take some of them out. So here on this little shelf, we have all Disney Parks exclusives. So we have the Tiki Room collection, the Collector from Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, Chef Figment from the International Food and Wine Festival, the Epcot 35 Figment, Orange Bird, Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear. And then right in front of that we have the Splash Mountain Ride Vehicle and the Indiana Jones Ride Vehicle. I also wanted to mention that I do keep and store all of my Funko Pop boxes. So if I were ever to resell them or want to put them away, I do have all of the correct boxes. Next to that, we have the shelf above my bed, which features the overflow of Disney Parks exclusive characters. Here we have all of the Haunted Mansion ones, and I'll have my full review of this particular series linked down below, along with my other Disney Funko collection videos and reviews. Next to that, we have a little bit of overflow confusion here. This is the little section of the Halloween characters that I put back up after my display. I'm currently working to reorganize my Funko Pops, so this is also a small little miscellaneous section featuring Wreck-It Ralph characters and some Toy Story characters, and also some Nightmare Before Christmas characters. After moving away from those characters, we move into Disney princesses along with their villains. So we have Cruella de Vil, The Little Mermaid, Moana, Beauty and the Beast along with the live action Beauty and the Beast. And then we have some smaller collections like Princess and the Frog and Pocahontas. Next to that we have Tangled. I really wish they had more Tangled characters. So we also have Alice and Aurora with 2 different Maleficents. We also have a smaller Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs collection. We have some Aladdin characters and Cinderella characters. And then we move into Frozen. I have a lot of, but none of these are from Frozen 2. And behind that there and on the end we have Peter Pan along with 2 different Tinkerbells and a Captain Hook movie moment. Before we head up to the last shelf in my current display here, I have some of the Disney Park ride vehicles displayed. I really don't have room for these ones on my shelf as they are bigger figures. So here we have the Matterhorn bobsled Funko Pop from Disneyland. And we also have the Disney Skyliner, and that includes Mickey Mouse. On the shelf above those, we also have 2 other Disney Parks exclusive Funko Pops. We have DJ Rex and Hondo Onaka. Moving up here to my top shelf above my closet door and next to my pin board, I have all of my Star Wars figures. These ones are currently arranged by movie. So we have A New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi, and Rogue One. And then we move into the newer movies like Force Awakens / Jedi, and one from The Rise of Skywalker. I hope to get more from that particular series. And then we also have The Mandalorian. I do plan on collecting a lot from that series, and especially The Child. So those are all of my Funko shelves, but here's a look at some of the other pops that were not completely packed away, but I just did not have on display right now. Here we have the Diamond Edition Disney Parks exclusive Abominable Snowman from the Matterhorn attraction, 2 of the Aladdin movie moments, this Fantasia or Sorcerer Mickey Pop movie moment, this 2-pack I just recently reviewed on my channel. This is the Funko Pop Up House and Kevin. And lastly here we have the Jumbo Scrooge McDuck. Before the video continues, I wanted to let you guys know that I did not receive an email response from the giveaway winner from a few weeks ago. So today we will be picking a new winner. So if you did comment on that video, you may have a chance here to win. The winner must email me their address to officialdisneycupcake@gmail.com. That information will be down below. They'll have 1 week to reply or a new winner will be chosen. As you guys can see right here, I am on the comment generator. Let's see who won. The winner is Gloria. Congratulations. It says, I've been watching your videos since 2016 and I love them all. Thank you so much. Again, you'll have 1 week to respond. Your address to the email down below. Now back to the video. So that is my Disney Funko collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what your favorite character was. I would love to hear about it, or let me know down below if you collect Funko Pops. I love to hear about your collections too. With that in mind, make sure to check out my Instagram, linked down below, and share your collection with me using the hashtag Disney Cupcake Collection. I will be liking all of those and checking them out, so thank you guys so much for supporting me there as well. Make sure also to subscribe to this YouTube channel. There will be a 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming up, along with other collection videos just like this one. If you guys like to see my Disney collection grow over the years, make sure to check out my Disney room tour videos, all linked down below, along with other Funko videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!